The fat controller was having a difficult time. Men in grey suits had arrived from the other railway to inspect the line.
We have come to make you more efficient.
They want to close us down.
Nonsense! They wouldn't dare. We're far too important. But the other engines were not so sure. Soon, they could talk of nothing else. Even Gordon began to worry that he was not as fit as he used to be.
Bother these old pistons.
They would let me down, and I need to prove to the inspectors that I am still a useful engine.